Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the riddle bubble locations in Heartopia to get a free special emote from the new Modular Street event. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event there is a store visiting riddle that in here you must pop the bubbles that scattered around the map, and when you successfully pop it, you can just unlock free emotes, and one of them is welcome emotes like this from the blooming smile riddle. And to get this bubble or to get this emote, you must go to the blank store like this on here, and then next just climb the umbrella like this, and then just pop it like this. You can see it. You will automatically get the emote like this. You can see it, and you can use it by tap on the menu, emotes menu, and then just use it like this. It will add it to your emotes collections. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.